Three cows lived together in the forest. One of them was white, the other black, and the third brown. In the forest, there was plenty of green for them to eat and a clean lake spring to drink from. The three of them used to live with each other very lovingly. Whenever any animal would attack them, they would fight it together and make it run away. One day, a lion came into the forest. The green head and green forest was very nice to the lion. The lion was still thinking about living in the forest when his eyes fell on these three. Three fat fresh prey, how to hunt them? The lion thought to himself. The lion immediately went forward and greeted them and then humbly spoke to them. "Oh beautiful cows, will you allow me to stay as your guest in this forest for a few days? There are three of us and this alone. Even if he stays, what can he do to us?" So they happily allowed him to stay there. The lion lived with them in the forest. Cows used to eat the same green leaves and grass, but the lion used to live on small and fat animals, but was always worried about eating those cows. The small animals started going to other forests out of fear of the lion. Now it became even more difficult for the lion. He had to stay hungry for many days. The lion would have thought that if it had been one cow instead of three, I would have enjoyed eating it. He thought that if these three cows were separated from each other, it would be easier to eat them. So one day, the tiger came to the black and brown cow. After talking sweetly with them, he said, "This white-colored cow is a big problem for all of us because its color is visible from a distance, while mine and your color are not visible from a distance." After saying this, the lion stopped for a moment and then started saying, "Now, if any human sees this white cow even from a distance, he will come to catch it and he will take us all captive." The brown and black cows got scared hearing the lion's words and started thinking, "Really, if a human sees a white cow, we will all be trapped? If you both agree, I can end it so that there is no more danger." Both the cows agreed. The lion attacked the white cow and killed it. After some days, the lion's eyes fell on the black cow. Then he went to the brown cow and said, "Hey brown cow, mine and your color are exactly the same from a distance, but the black cow is a big problem for us. Humans can see this cow from a distance." The brown cow still did not understand that this lion was actually her enemy. She thought of him as a friend and started asking for a solution to the problem. "I will kill him too. Then you and I will rule all the animals in this forest, and no one will dare to come near us." Brown cow gave permission to the lion. So the lion also ate the black cow. Now the lion and the brown cow lived alone in the forest. After some time, one day the lion said to the brown cow, Now you are the only problem for me. Both the white and black cows are killed, and now it's your turn. The cow said nervously, "But how can this be? You were saying that we will be friends." The lion smiled at the forgetfulness of the cow and said, "Oh, forgetful cow, what kind of a cycle are you in? Friendship of cows is also possible. A lion hunts cows and eats them." Now the brown cow began to think, "I wish those two friends of mine were alive. Then the lion could never have hunted me." She understood that the lion's intention was actually to eat all three. Therefore, he first separated these three and then ate them one by one. As long as there was agreement and unity among these three, even the lion could not raise his eyes towards them. But selfishness took the place of agreement and unity, so one by one, all three lost their lives. We should all live in harmony with each other and not act on what others say without thinking.